Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $53.70 per 2-second video download. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you can earn with such a tiny video $53.70. I have to just kind of let you sink that in for a second. All right, let's get started right now. So guys, before I show you this method, I want to show you this link on my channel right here on the top right of my banner. This is what I do online and make a passive online income every single month. So if you want to check that out and see what I do, that's the link to use, okay? Now, are you ready to earn $53.70 per 2-second video? Here it goes. This is a site that you probably known and heard, but I didn't know that you can actually sell your short 2-second video for that much money, okay? So we always kind of talk about like the pictures or whatnot. You can sell picture images on here, but there's actually a video section that is very easy for anybody to sell video footage on Shutterstock, okay? We're just talking about the videos and images that you take on your phone. I don't have my phone right here on me. Oh my God, I should have my phone right here. But yeah, on your phone, okay? So your phone, depending on what phone you have, obviously, but most phones, most recent phones anyway, have the ability to take 4K videos, okay? And if you don't know how to take 4K videos with your phone, I'm going to have 2 links in the video description. One link is for the Android phones and the other link is for the iOS phones. It'll show you how to take 4K videos on there. So that's just 2 free resources. I'm just linking in the video description for you to check out, okay? So what Shutterstock is that you can sell your images and videos for a certain amount of money, and as a creator on here you can earn certain percentages. Now I'm going to go to the page that shows you the earnings, okay? So if you want to go to that page yourself, first of all you go to shutterstock.com, then you're going to click on sell content up here on the top right, and so once I click that sell content, then you're here on this side, okay? This is where you can see what you can do. So share your work and start earning. So if you go to the bottom, it has earnings breakdown, okay? So here's the earnings breakdown. So if you do footage clip, which is a video clip, because the rest of these is talking about images, okay? So, and the more you earn on this platform, the higher your rates are for images. But for a video clip, it's just going to be a flat 30% across the board, which is fine, okay? So let's check out how much these video clips are for, okay? I'm back on Shutterstock.com, and if you go to footage is another name for video. So let's go to footage home and see what kind of videos they have. The easiest videos that you guys can do is basically look on these categories. It is not hard at all, okay guys? So watch this. So I go to slow motion, right? And look at all these videos that are under 30 seconds long, okay? And each one of these are selling for $179 per 4K download. So it doesn't matter how long your video is. So even if it's a 2-second video, and I found one here. Let me go and see if I can find it again. All right, I'm filtering for only 9 seconds. I'm looking for the 2-second video that I had found here before. Here it is. I mean, really? You can't record this? Or something similar to that effect. I mean, there's so many examples of 2-second or a few second videos on here that you can use as ideas and just go through this entire catalog and see what kind of videos you can do with your phone, okay? You can make real good money here with your phone. So you're going to earn 30% of these rates, guys, okay? So if somebody downloads this video, this 2-second video, the 4K version, it's going to cost them $179, but you're going to get 30% of that. So 179 times 30% is $53.70, guys, okay? And even if they don't download the 4K and they just buy like the 65, I mean, you're still earning a decent amount of money. $19.50 per download for like a 2-second video clip. I think that's worth it. So this is a really awesome way for you guys to try to use your phone to make some good money here. And you know what? If you get enough videos and images on here, eventually this could turn into kind of a regular monthly income for you. The more that you have on here, obviously the more chances that you're going to have to earn. So why not have a bunch of them on the site and do it fully, right? You know, take it seriously. And I try to upload a bunch of different videos and have a huge portfolio on here. And then you could start earning regularly every single month. So if you kind of don't want to do this though, but you want to earn from photography, there is another way to earn from photography, and that is by building an online business, okay? So this website here is an online training platform that I've been using since 2016. And what they do is that they teach you how to build an affiliate website that promotes affiliate products. So what is affiliate marketing, you ask? It's basically you could earn commissions from promoting other people's products. So let's say you really love photography and you love maybe certain types of cameras. Let's say you like the instant cameras, okay? Because you do want to kind of focus on a specific niche within photography, whether it's like for maybe like video making or just taking better pictures with your phone or something like that. So you want to kind of be in a specific niche in photography, and then you're going to build a site. When you build a site talking about your specific photography topic, then you could suggest to your reader about certain equipment, photo equipment that you can suggest to them. And then when you suggest those products, you could link those products with affiliate products on there, with affiliate links. Let's say from Amazon, you know, you could join their Amazon affiliate program for those equipment that you're suggesting. You could link from Amazon, use the Amazon affiliate link it to your website. And then when your readers read your article about whatever photo tips that you have for them, and you have these suggested equipment, and they click and go to Amazon to buy, you earn commissions. And that's what Wealthy Affiliate does. It helps you and teaches you how to do this. And that's where my website comes from, workanywherenow.com. It comes from their training. I use their training to build my website and have been earning a full-time online income with it. You could search my name on the platform, Littlemama. You can search Littlemama on their search bar when you log in. You can actually log in for free up here, okay? No credit card required, because they want you to check it out. They want you to see that it's not, you know, it's not fake or anything like that. It's real awesome, very powerful actually training, because when you build your website like this, you are actually going to be building your site where it can attract its own visitors 24/7. And you know what that means? It means that you can then earn any time of the day passive online income. Okay, so this training is indeed very powerful, and it needs to be taken seriously, and you will need the premium membership in order to get the full training. Okay, so you're going to sign up for free, check it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, then you could just log out and be done with it. But if you are serious with it, check out my income proof. You can really build a serious business with your website. And they have step-by-step instructions, guys. It's not that scary at all. If I can do it as a stay-at-home mom, I know you can do it too. And you're going to have my help if you use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. If you use this specific link, you will get my face on the Wealthy Affiliate site. And when you get my face on the Wealthy Affiliate site, you're going to get me as your premium coach, so I can help you through your online journey on there, okay? So I would love to do that for you if you want my help. So sign up with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I'll be on the other side, going to be there waiting for you, because when you sign up, I'm going to be sending you a message and telling you what the other bonuses are when you go premium, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, why haven't you already? you must subscribe to my channel because I give you so much value. Okay, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when the next video comes out. All right, guys? I hope I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.